Hello and happy Tuesday. For today's Tech Tip Tuesday, I'm going to show you a really cool feature that I've started using when I notice my network connection is about to be dropped. I may be kicked out of my Google Meet, or if I just need a very quick way to send something from one of my Chromebooks to my other Chromebook. So currently I'm on a Google Meet on both of my Chromebooks. And one of my Chromebooks, the one that I'm looking directly at right now, has my camera and my microphone on. It is also the Chromebook in which I am recording my screen on for this video. The other Chromebook I have open is the one that has my mic and my camera turned off, so you see my picture below. And it is also having its screen being shared in this Google Meet. So the feature I'm going to show you will come up if you put your mouse where your URL is. You can just simply tap where your URL is up here in this bar, and you'll see a little image of a computer and what looks like a phone or a tablet. If you hover over it, it says send this page, and if you click on this option, it says send to your devices. Now, because I have two Chromebooks, the only other device I have listed here is my other Chromebook. If you have a MacBook and you're on your Chromebook, MacBook would come up. And if you're on your MacBook and you have a Chromebook, then Chromebook will come up. So it depends on what device you're on and what other device is linked to your Somerville account. So if I need to send this exact page over to my other Chromebook because maybe I'm about to get kicked out of my Google Meet on my other Chromebook and I need everything set up to present, all I have to do is click on this option, and then you'll notice at the bottom of my screen down here it says Side Scroller 2020 Game Lab. Comes up as a pop-up. I click that and it opens up on my screen. It might take a second to load, but once you see that pop up, you know it went through and then it has worked. So instead of trying to email yourself a link real quick or having something saved in a draft for an email that you really need to open up, this quick two-step process of hovering over or clicking in your URL, clicking send this page and sending it to that device is really fast and easy and has been a lifesaver at times for me. If you have any questions on how to use this feature, please let me know, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.